How to find Facebook QR code. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find your Facebook QR code so others can find and add you easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the search section, just tap on the search bar at the top and there you can simply type QR code and search for it. And now here on the next page at the top you can see the option labeled as QR code. So simply tap on it. And now here once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the QR section. Now from here you can scan the code to add anyone to your Facebook, or you can just tap on my code tab which can be seen in the top right side. And now here in this section you can simply see your Facebook QR code. So here just you can share your QR code if you like with others, and that's it. That's how you can find Facebook QR code. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.